Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So today we are stuffing our sinking funds and our savings challenges. We should have $476 to work with. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and we're gonna get into it. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and count up our money. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. So 300, piece of hair, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that is 440, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. All right, so we have the 476 that we were expecting. All right, so let's get into it. I am going to take the sheets that we're working with today out of here, and we're just gonna move this to the side. So we are gonna start off with our sinking funds today. Let's see. Open this guy up. And first is car down payment. We will be adding $50 to that today. All right, so we do have $1,000 in the bank. So we have a placeholder there. And then we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 950, 2,000, 20, 40, 50. So 2,050 in car down payment. Next up is car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to be getting $30 today. So we now have 50, 100, 50, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 30. So 430. We're gonna be spending a big chunk of that here shortly. My husband said all of our vehicles are due for oil changes and he wants to do like upgrade the windshield wipers and all that fun stuff. So I think we'll be taking some money out of that here this coming week. Next up is car mods. That's gonna be getting $20 today. And we are up to 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 220. All right, racing events is going to be getting 25. So we are now up to 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 25. Health will be getting $25 today. So we now have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62 in health. Running's going to be getting 25. And we now have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. Home is going to be getting $20. And we now have 20, 40, 60, 70. Clothing will also be getting $20. And that is now up to 20, 40, 60, 70 as well. Next up is gifts. Gifts is going to be getting $15. So we are now up to 20, 40, 50, 60, 65. And YouTube is getting $3 today. So we are now up to 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. And our emergency savings is currently fully funded at the $1,000 mark. And that is it for our sinking funds binder. Now everyone's new favorite, the Disney Savings Challenge binder. And if y'all didn't know, I am now offering all of these trackers that I've created on my Etsy shop, and that is at AshleyMarieBudgets. I will have it linked in the description box, so if this is something you're interested in, go ahead and check it out. And if you go back to Monday's video, which was my server income giveaway video, there is a promo code in there as well for you to get a percentage off of your order. So go check that video out. All right, so first up is Resort. Resort, we are going to be adding $75. So 60, 75. All right. So now for Resort, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 810, 820, 825. So we have 825 for Resort. And we get to color in one of the little hangers. All right, next up is theme park tickets, and we will be adding $25 to that. And there was nothing else in there, so that is a total of $25. And for $25, we get to color in one of the safari signs. And you know, that's for Animal Kingdom, which happens to be one of my favorite parks. We are not going to be stuffing dining today. We are going to add $10 to drinks. So we get to color in one of the martini glasses. All right, next up is snacks. We are gonna go ahead and put in $5 for snacks. And we get to color in a churro. We are not stuffing souvenirs today, but we are gonna stuff $5 into PhotoPass. So for that, we get to color in the little people over here. All right, and we are not stuffing anything in the experiences. So that is it for our Disney Savings Challenge. And then now we're gonna go into our general savings challenges. First up is gonna be retirement. Retirement, I am doing a 52-week challenge for, and we are stuffing $13 today. So let's mark that off real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and add in the $13. So now in retirement, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, $91 for retirement. All right, and our $1 challenge, I save all the ones that have the letter A on them, and this week we had 4. So we're gonna stuff that in there. I'm not gonna count all of these out for us because, you know, it's a bunch of ones. We do have 22 in there before this, so we are now up to 26 ones. This envelope is my credit card savings challenge envelope. I am currently cashing out and saving up all the credit card points from my credit cards. We are up to $133 there. All right, then we are gonna stuff vacation. Vacation is getting $40 today. So vacation is now up to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 640. And we get to color in a sunshine. And this one is getting closer and closer to being fully funded. I think I have it set to be fully funded around $1,000. And I might actually make that my goal for April, is to get this thing fully funded, because I think our first trip is early June. So I would love to have it fully funded by the end of April. That way I don't have to worry about it. Next up is electronics. Electronics is going to be getting $27 today. So we've got 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what some of y'all pointed out that I had put an extra $1 in here, so I did take that out last time. So now we have, whoops. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we have $32 in electronics, and I'm going to fold that over because that is not enough to color in any of our little tracker areas. And it's actually $32 plus the $175 that I have in gift cards. So let me actually go ahead. So what did I say? 32 plus 175. So actually we are at 207 towards that goal. So I'm just gonna mark that there. I'm gonna go over here, mark 175 in gift cards, just so I know. All right, there are those gift cards. Next up is the Pet Emergency Fund, and we are adding $25 to that today. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And we want to get this one bulked back up because y'all know this is why I had to refresh my budget last time. Of course, my dogs were 100% worth it, but I want to not have to do that again. So we're going to try and bulk this up as quickly as possible. We had $25 going in, so we got to color in a paw print. And each of these trackers is worth about $1,000 as well. I think my goal will be to fill this out a few times over and get a good pet emergency fund going. But $25 towards a pet emergency fund. We are not stuffing anything towards date night. We went way over in our spending for dining out, which is where this money comes from. So we have nothing to put there. And then our fuel up your savings, we have $14 for that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All we needed was one more dollar. One more dollar and we would have been able to color in one of the little gas pumps, but we're gonna fold that over and next week, hopefully we'll be able to fill in one of the trackers. All right, y'all, that's it for today's video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Check out Monday's video if you want to enter into my giveaway. And I will see you tomorrow with our bill exchange so we can get rid of lots of those ones out of our sinking funds and savings challenges. And then Friday, I'll have my April budget with me and kind of my goals for the month. So I'll see you then, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.